Testimony has concluded in the trial of a Pennsylvania man accused of a 14-year-old arson murder cold case, with an expert witness on false confessions. 39-year-old Jeremiah Robb of New Milford, PA, is accused of setting fire to 20 Milford Street in Binghamton at about 3:30 in the morning on March 17, 2011, resulting in the death of 17-year-old Jeffrey Aissa. On Friday, jurors watched roughly 4 hours of video of Robb confessing to lighting on fire a recycling bin on the home's front porch. The recorded interrogations took place both in Susquehanna County and the Binghamton Police Station. They followed an initial conversation that investigators had with Robb in his home, in which he first admitted his role to police. And that interview was not videotaped. After Deputy District Attorney Lucas Finley began today by finishing the prosecution's presentation, defense attorney Kurt Schrader called just 3 witnesses. They included a retired law professor, Alan Hirsch, who is an expert on interrogations and false confessions. Hirsch testified about false confessions and 2 of the 3 common types. Hirsch says voluntary false confessions are common and can be made for reasons of fear, wanting to impress someone, wanting to protect someone else, or seeking notoriety. Robb's former girlfriend testified earlier in the trial that he told her he had set the fire within days of it happening in 2011. That information did not make its way to police until 2017. Hirsch also described the less common internalized false confession, in which a suspect comes to believe they're guilty of a crime they did not commit because their memory is faulty and interrogators convince them of their guilt. Hirsch was forbidden by the judge of expressing his opinion on whether any of Robb's confessions were indeed false. Hirsch's testimony was limited to the prevalence of false confessions and some common causes. After Hirsch, the defense rested. Closing arguments are scheduled for tomorrow morning, after which the jury will be charged and start deliberating. Robb is charged with felony murder and 2 counts of arson.